Hello, welcome to a new Showcaser tutorial. Here we have 5 characters. We want to present these models one by one with a turntable animation for each one. This is the kind of animation we'd like to achieve. So firstly, we will place them all at the same position, at the origin. This is where the main action will take place. Let's open Showcaser. First, we create a new sequence. Let's name it Character Carousel. Now we open the dialog to manage the sequence objects. Select the objects and press this first button to load them into the list. In this case, we don't care about the order of appearance in the animation, but you can change it as you like. Showcaser offers 2 different methods to animate the objects, scene and models. This time we don't want to animate the assembly of a scene. We want to present individual models, showing only one at a time on the screen. So we choose the Models mode. The interface changes a bit. This mode works by creating for every model 3 consecutive animations or stages: the entry or in animation, the main animation, and the exit or out animation. In this mode, we can set up a general time range for the entire sequence. Let's leave the current 210 frames for the total sequence, which makes about 42 frames for showcasing each model. We turn on the in animation. This length parameter means what percentage of the total object animation length will take this entry animation. We want it to take 25% of the model animation time. That's more or less 10 frames, and the same for the out animation. We will move the models in the x-axis. The distance could be 50 units. And the same for the out animation. Let's see what we have so far. Nice start. Now I want to make the next model coming into frame before the current model finishes coming out of frame. So we need some overlapping. Better watch it from the camera view. Let's try with 15 frames. Okay, now we can smooth the animations. To make them look like they are sliding on the floor, we must set ease out here to make the motion to start fast and end slow, and ease in here to make the motion to start slow and end fast. That's good, but now they overlap too much, so let's decrease again the overlap. I think with 8 frames will better. Great. It's time to set up the main animation. Let's create a turntable animation. We want the model to keep rotating all the time. 360 degrees, it's one turn. That's okay for now. Let's build the animation and see what we get. Not bad, but they are spinning too fast. We want a more delicate rotation to be able to appreciate the model. So let's make them rotate only 30 degrees in total. That's much better. Now we can add a rotating platform under each model to make the animation look a bit more realistic. Showcaser can generate turntable objects automatically, so let's activate this function. We can leave the default settings in C. Nice. You can see these objects are built with a simple 3ds Max primitive, a chamfer cylinder. They are all instances of each other, so you can change the parameters in one of them, and the changes will propagate to the others. But if you want to change the height of the turntable, you need to do it at the plugin and rebuild the animation, so every model will readjust its position to the new height. This looks good. Let's just change the color of the turntable. Ready. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one.